Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. It says the sum of the maximum and minimum values of the function fx equal to mod of 5x minus 7 plus GIF of x square plus 2x in the closed interval 5 upon 4 to 2, where GIF of t is the greatest integer less than or equal to t is. Now students, basically in this question, we have to find the maximum and minimum values of the function fx and then their sum. Now inside the modulus sign, we have 5x minus 7. This clearly implies when 5x is greater than or equal to 7, then mod of 5x minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 7. And when 5x is less than 7 or when x is less than 7 upon 5, then mod of 5x minus 7 will be equal to 7 minus 5x. Now students, let's rewrite this function for both of these categories. Now when x is less than 7 upon 5, then fx becomes equal to 7 minus 5x plus GIF of x square plus 2x. Now inside the greatest integer function, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Now this further becomes equal to 7 minus 5x plus GIF of x plus 1 whole square minus 1. Now by using the property of greatest integer function, we can further write this as 7 minus 5x plus GIF of x plus 1 whole square and then minus 1 outside the greatest integer function, right? Now students, when x is greater than or equal to 5 upon 4 and less than 7 upon 5, for this particular interval, x plus 1 becomes greater than or equal to 9 upon 4 and less than 12 upon 5. So I can write x plus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 81 upon 16 and less than 144 upon 25. Now clearly, between 81 upon 16 and 144 upon 25, no integer falls. Because 81 upon 16 is 5 point something and 144 upon 25 is again 5 point something. So clearly, the greatest integer value of x plus 1 whole square for this particular interval becomes equal to 5. That means f of x clearly becomes a polynomial function. It becomes 7 minus 5x plus 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 11 minus 5x. Clearly, it has negative derivative. So this is a decreasing function for this particular interval, right? Now students, we discuss the second category. Now students, we discuss the second category. When x is greater than or equal to 7 upon 5 and less than or equal to 2. Now for this particular category, fx becomes equal to 5x minus 7 plus GIF of x plus 1 whole square and then minus 1. This is equal to 5x minus 8 plus GIF of x plus 1 whole square. Now for this particular interval, x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 12 upon 5 and less than or equal to 3. That means x plus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 144 upon 25 and less than or equal to 9. Now students, between these two values 144 upon 25 and 9, three integers occur and they are 6, 7 and 8. That means GIF of x plus 1 whole square will get broken whenever x plus 1 whole square becomes an integer. For example, when x plus 1 whole square becomes equal to 6 or when x is equal to root 6 minus 1, then fx becomes discontinuous. Now at this stage, we notice two very important points. The first one is the limit for the function fx when x is slightly smaller than 7 upon 5, that is left hand limit at x equal to 7 upon 5 is equal to 11 minus 5 into 7 upon 5, which is nothing but equal to 4. And similarly, the right hand limit at x equal to 7 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 7 upon 5 minus 8, which is minus 1 plus 5. And this is again 4. And finally, the value of the function at 7 upon 5 is also equal to minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 4. Now, since all the three are equal, so I can say that fx is continuous at x equal to 7 upon 5, right? Now, students, the second point is that for this particular interval, 5x minus 8 and x plus 1 whole square, both of them are increasing functions of x, right? So that means obviously this function will attain its maximum value when x is equal to 2 for this particular interval, right? And the minimum value for this function occurs at x equal to 7 upon 5. Now, if I discuss the entire interval, closed interval 5 upon 4 to 2, then the absolute minimum value of this function will occur at x equal to 7 upon 5, which is nothing but equal to 4. And its absolute maximum value will either occur at x equal to 5 upon 4 or at x equal to 2. Now for that purpose, we will have to find the values of the function fx at both of these endpoints, right? Now let's move further. Now students, the value of the function at x equal to 5 upon 4 is equal to 11 minus 5 into 5 upon 4, which is equal to 11 minus 25 upon 4, equal to 44 minus 25, which is 19 divided upon 4, right? And the value of the function at x equal to 2 is equal to 10 minus 8, which is 2, plus GIF of 9, and this is equal to 11. Now students, clearly f of 2 is greater than f of 5 by 4. So obviously the function fx is maximum at x equal to 2 and fx is minimum at x equal to 7 upon 5. Why at 7 upon 5? Because from x equal to 5 by 4 to x equal to 7 upon 5, fx is decreasing. And from x equal to 7 upon 5 till x equal to 2, the function is increasing. So obviously at x equal to 7 upon 5, it will attain its absolute minimum value. Now students, if I add both of these values, that is 11 and 4, I get the sum of the maximum and minimum values as 50. So this is the right answer. Now students, in my next video, I will discuss another question. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.